Secure document fluency. Anonymize files for coaching and audits. Welcome! Today we'll make your documents safer without killing their usefulness. Anonymizing content protects real people and real companies from unintended exposure. It lets you share materials for coaching, audits, and peer reviews without revealing who said what. You also stay on the right side of privacy and compliance rules, from internal policies to strict regulations. Think: same insights, less risk. By removing or masking identifiers, you reduce legal headaches, prevent bias in reviews, and make collaboration easier. The goal is simple: preserve meaning and learning value while stripping out the details that could cause harm. Start with obvious personal data: full names, emails, phone numbers, anything that points to a specific person. Next, cover sensitive IDs such as employee numbers, account numbers, and ticket IDs that could enable unauthorized access. Protect company secrets, client names, project codes, internal tools, pricing, and roadmap details. These often leak strategy. Don't forget metadata lurking in files: authors, revision history, timestamps, device names, and geolocation. These can quietly reveal more than the text does. If it can be used to identify a person, account, or confidential relationship, remove it or replace it. With redaction, you permanently remove content. There's nothing left to recover. Use it when the exact detail isn't needed for understanding, or when rules demand irreversible removal. With pseudonymization, you replace items with labels like person_A or client_1, preserving context and relationships without exposing identities. Choose based on your review goals. Compliance audits may require hard redaction, while coaching often benefits from labels to track who did what. If you must reconnect labels later, keep a separate, secure key with limited access and tight version control. Create clear, descriptive tags like person_A, client_1, project_X. Assign one label per unique entity and reuse it consistently so patterns are visible across the document. Write down your mapping rules: how you pick labels, how you handle partial names, and what you do with repeated mentions or roles. Keep the format stable, same brackets, case, and separators, so automated checks work. Apply the same scheme across files so cross-document analysis remains meaningful. Consistency makes reviews faster, reduces disputes, and helps new teammates ramp up quickly. Use real redaction tools that remove underlying text, not simple black rectangles that can be copied or revealed. Leverage search patterns like regex to catch emails, phone numbers, IDs, dates, and code-like strings reliably. Before sharing, scrub metadata from documents, images, and PDFs, including revision history and comments. When exporting, create a flattened PDF with baked-in redactions so content can't be selected or recovered. Test by attempting to copy text from redacted areas and by opening file properties. Safety is in the workflow, not just the software. First, collect source files and make a working copy so originals stay pristine. Next, scan and list sensitive elements: personal data, IDs, secrets, and metadata. Then apply redaction or labels systematically using your scheme. Work section by section to avoid misses. After that, conduct a self-review followed by a peer check to catch blind spots. Finally, export to a secure format, verify redactions are flattened, and archive both the sanitized version and a controlled redaction log. This repeatable process keeps quality high and risk low. Run a full text search for names, emails, phone numbers, and IDs to catch anything you missed. Inspect headers, footers, watermarks, and comments, which often hide sensitive details. Verify images and screenshots. Use blurring or cropping. Then recheck with OCR to ensure text isn't still readable. Try breaking the file, copy-paste, print to PDF, and open properties to spot hidden data. Finally, bring in a fresh reviewer with a checklist. New eyes find new issues. Treat leaks as learning. Update your patterns and labels after every review. Default to minimize data exposure. Share only what's needed. Use labels when context matters for coaching or analytics. Use redaction when details aren't required or rules demand it. Keep a secure redaction log that notes what was removed or labeled and why, with limited access and version control. Train your team, practice with sample documents, and update your template and regex patterns as new data types appear. Consistency, documentation, and disciplined reviews turn anonymization from a chore into a reliable habit that protects people and enables better collaboration.